In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo an action on Monday.com. Have you ever found yourself in that heart-stopping moment after you've accidentally deleted a task on Monday.com? Maybe it was a slip of the mouse or a quick decision you immediately regretted. Whatever the reason, that oh no moment doesn't have to be the end of the story. Today, I'll guide you through the simple process of undoing an action, specifically deleting a task, so you can breathe a sigh of relief and get back to work with minimal fuss. First things first, head over to the Monday.com homepage. This is your command center where all your projects and tasks live. Think of it as the grand entrance to your organized world. Whether you're already logged in or need to sign in, once you're on the homepage, you're ready to navigate through your projects. Next, you'll want to select the specific project you're working on. Projects on Monday.com are wonderfully organized, making it easy to find the specific one you're working with. This could be anything from a marketing campaign to a software development project. Click on your project to dive into the nitty-gritty details of your tasks and timelines. Once you're within your project, it's time to click on the task that you accidentally deleted. Maybe you wanted to delete something else, or you click delete without meaning to. It happens to the best of us. Tasks in Monday.com can range from simple to-dos to complex assignments with multiple dependencies. So it's easy to see how valuable each one can be. Now you're at the crucial moment. You've clicked on the task and you accidentally hit delete. In Monday.com, when you choose to delete something, it asks you to confirm your action by clicking delete again. This is a built-in safeguard, but sometimes even that isn't enough to prevent an accidental deletion. After the task has been deleted, you might experience a moment of panic. But here's where the magic happens. Look towards the top of your screen. Monday.com has an incredibly user-friendly feature, the undo button. This button is your lifeline, your beacon of hope in what could have been a bleak situation. Clicking undo essentially rewinds time. It's like it never happened. The task you thought was lost to the digital void is now back in its rightful place, complete with all its details, deadlines, and attached files. But what makes the undo feature so essential? Well, in the fast-paced world of project management, errors happen. The undo button offers a safety net, ensuring that a single misclick doesn't derail your day, or worse, your project. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can save you not only time, but also the potential headache of recreating a complex task from scratch. It's also worth noting that the undo option is not unlimited. It's designed for those immediate oops moments. This means you should act quickly if you've deleted something by mistake. The undo option won't be available forever, so it's best to rectify any accidental deletions as soon as possible. And there you have it, an easy, stress-free guide to undoing an action in Monday.com. Whether you've accidentally deleted a critical task or made a change you immediately regret, the undo feature is there to save the day, ensuring that your project management journey is as smooth and error-free as possible. Remember, mistakes happen, but with tools like Monday.com, they don't have to be permanent. So go forth, manage your projects with confidence, and know that the undo button will always be there when you need it most. Happy managing,